Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Sid here, and apparently there's no update. There's no rainbow rules and there's no bouncy castle and stuff, so let's get right into it. Hit the town with actually that's spoilers, who cares about reading that? Let's check out the cosmetics. Whoa!
Wow.
Where is
What?
There's literally New York.
What's that? Not control.
New York.
Hold on, let me just get the cosmetics.
You don't like this update.
This. I don't know what this does.
This is sad.
The heck? What?
It's actually affordable. I can't believe.
Oh, what the? My drone. It's a drone.
So
It's a drone.
I'm a real monkey.
This pattern about to see better be good or
I
straight, but
cannot.
try. I like this.
What the?
It's actually fire.
What's this? Wait, lift up.
I have those. I have the wings. I have the wings.
In there.
It's not from that last update.
I'm going into a private lobby.
This is. I do too. Wait. Tired. Is this a bagel? I love Monktopolis.
By the way, this is my new code because everyone keeps stealing my fan code, so join this if you want to meet me. Okay. Let's go. So where did we start off with? Oh yeah, the donut. Let's go. Oh, money, free food, money's all I need. I just got the drip. Oh, it's the set. This is the set. What that anymore? Pizza. This looks like the free badge probably. I don't know. Oh, I'm very old today, guys. Remember that. Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? This is so... Okay. Let's play cosmetics. Is a funny yoga. Oga. Oh, yeah, and the bundle. I am a police. You are not allowed to do certain things, he says. Wait, why is Doug in here? Hey, what would you? Can you guys see this? What? Okay, so what the heck? Whoa! I need to check these out. Oh, and these. Ooh. And pretzel. Is there anything else? Giant pretzel. Ooh. These. Ooh. Yeah, boy. This. Oh, it's so spectacular. That's all I'm gonna check. Cause already the toilet. So just gonna do this quick. Ooh, this looks sick. Spoilers. What the heck? What is this? Subway Surfers! Editor, put the music on. The Subway Surfers music. Whoa! Oh! Juked! Off the course. Icon. Oh, I couldn't do that one. Oh, this is sicker. Oh, the music for it. The music. pizza. that? Can we go in the water? Can we go in the water? Indeed, we can go in the water. Oh, Subway Surfers to Grill Tag. That should be the thumbnail. Hey, why is that so tiny? Why is the lamppost so tiny? Bro. Oh yeah, this is tiny. I'm getting to the highest point in the building. It's there. Okay. And pinch, clap, this. Pinch, clap. No! I'm supposed to get up here. Just go. Bounce. Side. So side. Yes. Did it. We did it. Bert, there was a road all that time. Oh, what's that? Fist bump! Boom! What's that? Gorilla boom! The police are after me. Juked! Bro, I have to have lost the police by now. Oh, I missed that. No. I love Subway Surfers, it's just the best. I'm kind of lost here. I'm actually quite scared. Hopefully this is an 8-minute video. That's really what if it isn't. Oh, it's there. I'm not lost, guys. Okay. Time to crank 90s in Fortnite. Okay guys, that'll be the end of the video. And yeah, if you like this video, you'll totally like this one. Click it down below. Here. Yeah. I don't know if there even is one. Bye bye.